Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mathenthusiasm. This video is day 6 of the 30-day challenge. It is all about integration by parts. Let's check it out. Integrate x squared over e to the power of 2x dx. Let's change the integrand into x squared times e to the power of negative 2x. For these two terms, let's absorb one of them into the differential. Because x squared is algebraic function a, e to the power of negative 2x is exponential function e. By the last rule, a is in front of e. So a is u and e is dv. In other words, we have to absorb e to the power of negative 2x into the differential. That is to integrate it. Because integrate e to the power of kx dx is equal to 1 over k times e to the power of kx plus c, where k is a non-zero constant. So the differential is d bracket e to the power of negative 2x times minus 1 over 2. The factor negative 1 over 2 is put outside the integral. Now we are ready to apply the formula of integration by parts. By comparison, u is equal to x squared and v is equal to e to the power of negative 2x. So the first term is the product x squared times e to the power of negative 2x. For the second term, we swap the two functions u and v. Then it is integrate e to the power of negative 2x d bracket x squared. Look at this term. Differentiating x squared, we get 2x dx. Just like what we discussed in video on day 5, we focus on the integrand. It is changed from x squared times e to the power of negative 2x to x times e to the power of negative 2x. The index of x is decreased from 2 to 1. Therefore, if we apply integration by parts for one more time, then it can be further reduced to 0, which is a constant. Let's see if it is really the case. Now, we absorb e to the power of negative 2x again in the differential. We multiply another negative 1 over 2 outside the integral. Cancel out negative 2, then it becomes integrate x d bracket e to the power of negative 2x. We are ready to use integration by part for the second time. Here, u is equal to x, and v is equal to e to the power of negative 2x. Thus, the first term is the product x times e to the power of negative 2x, and the second term is integrate e to the power of negative 2x dx. See, the integrand has no more x term as expected. This integral can be evaluated easily, which is negative 1 over 2 times e to the power of negative 2x. Don't miss the constant c at the back. Inside the bracket, we have a common factor e to the power of negative 2x. Let's take it out. Then we have negative e to the power of negative 2x over 2 times bracket x squared plus x plus 1 over 2 plus c. To make the answer better looking, we combine the three terms in the bracket and put the exponential term in the denominator. So the answer is equal to negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 all over 4 times e to the power of 2x plus c. Let's check out other cases of using integration by parts 2 times in next video on day 7.